So I thought this was total clickbait. Then I realized it was brilliant. Amazon just took a bold step into the auto world, and some say it's a dealership killer. You might have seen the same headlines I did that stated that Amazon's going to replace dealerships or buy your next car like toilet paper. But what's really happening here? Today we're talking about Amazon's move into car sales, how it affects dealerships, what it means for you, and whether this is the start of a new era. If you are shopping for a car or plan to, you need to understand what Amazon is doing. They are teaming up with automakers like Hyundai and possibly others to let you browse, finance, and even arrange delivery without ever stepping inside a traditional showroom. But don't worry, this isn't a Tesla-style revolution, at least not yet. So here's what has happened. Amazon announced it would begin allowing Hyundai vehicles to be sold through its platform starting in late 2024, then expanding into 2025. That's what happened. Buyers can go to Amazon.com, select the vehicle, color, trim, and financing, just like adding a blender to your cart. The twist here, you're still technically buying from a local dealership. Amazon just acts like a marketplace, not the seller. So they're not breaking franchise laws, but they're definitely reshaping how the transaction process happens. And this could expand beyond Hyundai soon, and the infrastructure is being built right now. This might sound like a death blow to car dealerships, but it's more complicated than that. Almost every U.S. state has franchise laws that prevent automakers from selling directly to consumers. That's why Tesla had to fight legal battles to open direct stores, and why Rivian is following suit. But Amazon, they're not selling the car. They're facilitating the sale for local dealerships. That means they're technically playing within the rules for now. Think of it like Expedia or Airbnb. You're not renting from Airbnb directly, you're booking through their platform. So what's changing for you as a buyer? The biggest shift? Convenience. Amazon aims to integrate the following: trade-in estimates powered by partners like Carvana or Kelley Blue Book, financing options that show multiple lenders in real time, and home delivery coordinated with your nearest dealer. So you might never ever have to talk to a finance manager, never haggle, and never deal with paperwork in person again. And let's be real, who hasn't wished for that at least once? So how does Amazon plan to stack up against direct sell brands like Tesla or Rivian? Well, Tesla and Rivian do the following. They sell direct to consumers from their websites. They own their own showrooms or delivery centers, and they avoid traditional dealership middlemen entirely. So Amazon, of course, it isn't the manufacturer, clearly. It doesn't own the cars, clearly. It still works through dealerships, for now. But what Amazon does offer is brand power, convenience, and pressure on the system. If this scales, say Ford, Chevrolet, Toyota, they join in, you can start seeing fewer dealership visits and more click-to-buy car purchases by 2026 or 2027. Here's what you need to know if you're shopping for a car, truck, or SUV in 2025 and beyond. Transparent pricing. Amazon listings show MSRP and available dealer discounts or incentives up front. Less back and forth. Easier shopping. Want to compare a Tucson, RAV4, and a Rogue? You might eventually do that in one Amazon cart. Financing options. Amazon plans to offer comparison shopping for loans, bypassing the high-pressure finance office at the dealership. And trade-in flexibility. You'll likely get an instant estimate and option to sell or trade even without a visit. But don't assume dealers are just going to hand out deals online. You still need to do your homework, and that's where quotes.everymandriver.com come in. It gives you real-time dealer invoice pricing so you can see who's offering the better value, Amazon affiliate stores or someone else. So to wrap this up in a nice little bow, Amazon isn't killing car dealerships, but it is giving them a serious makeover. Think fewer showroom visits, more online tools, and way less paperwork. If you're buying a vehicle in 2025, expect the following: new ways to shop, different ways to negotiate, and less tolerance for those shady dealer tactics. So before you click buy on Amazon or walk into a traditional dealership, start smart by going to quotes.everymandriver.com and check the real invoice pricing for your next used or new car, truck, or SUV. That way you know if what Amazon or any dealer is offering is actually a good deal for you. The time for you to sound off. Would you buy a car through Amazon? Remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com. Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video.